Hey guys, this is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. I'm a professional trader for the past 6 years in Hong Kong, and I've been working for several big investment banks like HSBC or Commerzbank. And I've just started to make some YouTube videos where I share with you guys all my experience of 6 years of pro trading. So I use technical analysis a lot to help me to take any trading decision. And I want to tell you guys what is working for me and what is not. So if you want to know how to use all these techniques and to know which stocks to me are hot right now, you are in the right place. So today I want to talk about Fubo TV and Bbby. Let's get into it. So for those who saw my previous videos, I basically hang out a lot on Wall Street bets, so I did my Reddit account, so you can find this kind of stuff. So this is quite funny, but basically you have some information about GME, and I go on Twitter as well, and you can find a lot of guys that actually share the list of the stocks that think are gonna go higher in the coming weeks. So I analyzed all the stocks. So I did my own list, guys, by hanging out there. So I had like more than 20 of them at the beginning, even more than this. And I have here a short list that to me are the winners. So I'm not buyer on all of them, but there is an action to take for almost all of them. I check the market capitalization and I check the short interest. Once again, guys, the market cap is important because if it's small enough, then when the redditors are going to enter all together in the stock, they can have an impact on it. And if the short interest is big enough as well, which means there are a lot of hedge funds that are short of this stuff, then the short squeeze is likely to happen. And this is what we are looking for, any short squeeze situation that is likely to happen. So I did CLVS, AMC before. Right now I'm gonna go do Fubo and Bbby. So first thing, market cap 6 and 3 billion. So let's do Fubo first. So 6 billion USD. All right, so it's quite big for this penny stocks. It's much bigger than CLVS and IMC, like 2 to 5 times. And the short interest is around 40%, which is quite high. So let's look at the technicals. So basically the stock is going lower for the past 5 years. All right, it was at 18,000, guys. It was a dramatic drop. It lost 99.99%. It's insane. I think I've never seen something that dropped that much, so that's why, guys, you should not buy everything, because as you can see, something can drop forever almost. But now we have some bullish signals that started to appear in 2020, and so the major support I see here is at 23, guys. All right, so if you are not long the stuff, you can always buy some here and hope it's going to go higher, but this is not trading. If you want to do proper trading, you buy at 22, you put a stop loss at 20. All right, so you have 10% maximum loss, and you can make much more, guys, because if you buy here, you can make 300% only to the first resistance level. So if you're long the stuff, I know some of you guys are long. I won't give the name here, but I do this video because some people told me Fubo is hot. And I agree, it is hot. It will probably go higher. So the first resistance level is at 57 because it's the recent high we had here, but it's not strong. It was just rejected once, and I think we're gonna go higher, just technically speaking. The earnings are very bad, but guys, that's why there is a lot of short interest, and what we're looking here for is a short squeeze. So my selling target would be at 120. I just take the high that is here, and the next one is at 500. So there is a lot of upside potential on this stock. That's it for this one. So let's go to Bbby. So Bbby has 3 billion market cap, so it's smaller, which is better, and more short interest, 66%, which means that 66% of the people who are long this share lend it to some hedge funds against a borrow rate so that the hedge fund can short it. All right, so guys, usually you have around 5% of short interest in a normal share, and 5 is a lot. Tesla has 8, for example, and it's very high. So 1%, Apple has 1%, all right? So when you have 66%, it really means that there is a lot of guys that short this stuff. This way, guys, looks beautiful, all right? So first, earnings are positive. So means the company is doing better. The hedge funds might cut the position earlier because the fundamentals are better. And here, guys, when I do the downward sloping trend line that started in 2015, you can see, guys, this is a nice behavior. I like this one because it has been broken here And you can see that it was as well the highest level we had in 2020. I mean, deck 19, it's almost the same. And at this level, we have a double signal, guys. We have the downward sloping trend line that has been breached, and we have the highest level of 2020 that has been broken as well. Then we go higher, we retest it 3 times, and then we go higher. So guys, this is a very strong area of support. So now we are at 26. Once again, don't buy it here, guys. Be patient. There are a lot of them. Wait for the right timing. All right. So here, 25% lower at 18, you can buy it, and it's nice to buy. And once again, where are our targets, guys? Our targets, I always do the same stuff, which is quite efficient. I try to see where I had some consolidation. So here you see I had some. So here it's exactly where we are. So this is another support level. You can buy some here and just stop loss below, but I mean, this one is not very strong. Then here and then here. All right. So it can go up 200%. All right. So it's not like Fubo TV, but there is a lot of potential on the upside. And here the earnings are positive. All right. For Fubo, the earnings are very negative, guys. So the hedge fund might increase their short position. All right, that's it for me. We're gonna do the next ones very soon, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please click on the sub, like, and bell button so you're gonna be the first to know when I upload anything new about this stuff. And stay close to shore. I see you guys.